He's ODing on us.
Well, get him the hell out of my house.
Get the shot.
Don't yell at me.
You were not too good, Helen.
Okay, look, just talk to him. While she gets the shot, I'm gonna look for my black medical book.
What do you need a black medical book for?
To tell me how to do it. I've not exactly given an adrenaline shot before.
You mean to tell me you've been doing this for 6 years and you've never had to use it?
I've never had to. I don't go joint popping bubble gummers. All my friends can handle their highs.
Well, then get it.
I am, if you'll let me.
I ain't fucking stopping you.
Hey, let's stop talking and start talking to him.
Come on here. Hurry up, we're losing him.
I'm looking as fast as I can.
What is he looking for? He's looking for a medical book? I don't know.
What are you looking for? My black medical book? What? My black fucking medical book. It's like, I didn't see the medical book. Okay, well, trust me, I have one. Well, while you're busy looking for a book, this boy's gonna die on our carpet. You're never gonna find it in all this shit. I've been telling you to leave this house for six months now.
Get your ass in here. Fuck the book. Stop joking around and just give him the shot.
Okay, well, while I get the shot ready, can you take your shirt off and find his heart?
Does it have to be exact?
Yeah, it has to be exact. I'm giving an injection of adrenaline straight to the heart, so it kind of has to be exactly in the heart.
I don't exactly know where his heart is. I think it's here.
Yeah, that's it.
Do you have a magic marker?
What?
I need a fat magic marker. Do you got one? Any felt pen will do, but a magic marker would be great.
Got it. Hold on. It's ready, I'll tell you how to do it.
You're giving him the shot.
No, you're giving him the shot.
I've never done this before.
Neither have I. The day I bring an OD to your apartment, that's the day that I'll give him the shot. I got it.
Okay, what do I do next?
Okay, well, you're giving an injection of adrenaline straight to the heart, but it has a breastplate, so you have to pierce through that. And then you gotta push down in like a stabbing motion.
I gotta stab him?
Yeah, you want to pierce him in the heart, so you have to stab him hard. And then you want to push down on the plunger.
And what happens after that?
I just believe the bottom myself.
It's not a fucking joke, man.
Okay, listen, like, it should come out of it like that.
Okay, count to 3.
Okay, ready to strike? 1, 2, 3.